So, welcome back to another random hobby channel. Last 2 of the 10 random booster packs that we bought. Try natin ng medyo silent profile. Nalaya para ako eh. So, 1, 2. Order 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, tingnan natin yung ganyan. Saking Sanctum, Slash of Light, Grand Pulse Oku, Sabotender, Malboro, Hero Token, Baron Airship, Syncopate again, alam. Vivi Ortiner. Pangatlo na natin to. But, yeah. Yung Buster Sword, this paid for my packs. Eden, Synth of Sanctum, nice. Thornberry, Snowfilliers, Summon Shiva, Iron Giant, White Aura Sight. Kailan kaya magpapakita ang ating Ristic Study? Or Tifa na full art. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice Plan, Koyorol, Bard's Bow, Suplex, Fane's Treachery, Hero, Winders, Federation Center, Limit Break again. Mas maganda yung nauna, pero at least Buster Sword ulit. I think this cost, I don't know, $35 or euros. So, Ultimecia, Time Sorceress, Ultimecia the Omnipotent. May Quistis ulit. Battle menu, bago to Ride of Showpoof, Instant Ramen, and it's not focusing. So, 2 Buster Swords, 1 VV. What can I say? Nice. So, we've opened the 10 packs. So, balik tayo dun sa box. Hopefully, matapos na natin to. Then again, thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao. Have a good day ahead.